Central Road students. Welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful winter break. Happy New Year. We are starting the year 2021. With a new calendar year come New Year's resolutions. New Year's resolutions are goals that we set for ourselves in order to make improvements. We all have ways that we can improve. An example of a goal that you might set for this school year could be increasing a grade within a subject area. Or within the virtual setting, it may mean increasing your participation or being mindful that you want to turn your camera on more frequently so that your teacher is able to see you and know when you are grasping concepts or if you need additional help. Many of your teachers will guide you through the goal setting process for the new year. I know that each and every one of you has the attributes to be very successful. Your education is a key to that success, and it's going to take hard work and perseverance in order to make sure that you do well. We're all here to support you. Within the virtual classroom, you have to be very mindful of the fact that you need to take on ownership of your learning. Your teachers are able to assist you at all times, and I know many of them provide you with office hours. But within the virtual classroom, there's also times where you're asked to complete assignments, and it's important that you always complete those assignments within a timely manner. I know that each and every one of you can do it. Some things to be mindful of for the new year is to always be to school on time. Remember, we start our day at 8:45. You also have to be mindful of the schedule that your teacher has created for you. Sometimes with a Google meeting, that may mean returning back to a new subject area after you've completed an assignment. It's your job to make sure that you're there on time. It's also important that you are completing the assignments that your teacher is assigning you through Seesaw or Google Classroom. We are always very intentional about what we're asking our students to do because we want you to get the practice so that you can master the concepts that are being taught to you within the classroom. We are so excited for the year 2021. I have heard nothing but amazing things about the hard work that you have been participating in so far this school year, and I want that to continue for the remainder of the year. Remember, the Central Road staff members are here to support you. If you ever need anything from us, just please ask. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.